Parklands project is under construction, a $550 million mixed-use development at Southport on the Gold Coast. There will be 1,170 new apartments across 18 buildings of up to 8 storeys in height, as well as 82 new townhouses. The developer and builder is Grocon, and they appointed Brisbane-based Precast concrete products to supply all precast elements, including double height columns, stair cores, lift cores and fire stairs.
Grocon involved us at the tender stage, and we were one of many tenderers that bid the precast package, but we were able to provide the most cost economic solution for this particular project, and with the past relationship that we have with Grocon, which is a very strong one, that got us over the line.
Grocon's decision to pursue a precast solution had many advantages.
A couple of factors, safety, cost and program. So in terms of safety, we've got less site numbers on the project. Commercially, precast gives us an advantage, and in terms of program, especially with the double height columns, we've seen the program benefits.
A core value of Grocon is innovation, and the project has adopted a number of innovations in precast that have dramatically improved the program and therefore cost.
Columns typically are very small panels, which mean they're relatively expensive to fabricate and they're relatively expensive to install. So what we were able to do on this project was to increase the columns to double height columns, so there are only half the number of panels to make and only half the number of panels to install, and that really helped us with efficiency and it helped the overall price.
The double height precast columns is something new in the industry, and it's definitely worked here for Grocon at Parklands.
Also new for Grocon in Queensland is the installation of precast stairs within the stair cores. This innovation introduces efficiencies in access and egress for workers in comparison to traditional in situ stairs.
And the stairs, not something we've done on past projects, but the precast stairs was adopted because it meant that we can get access to the working deck at all times. So the precast stairs come in directly and installed behind the precast stair cores.
Safety is a Grocon core value. It is a priority in all decisions and front of mind on site.
Yeah, look, safety is really important to our company as it is to Grocon. So it just makes sense to take a large part of the construction off-site where there's variable conditions, and to do it in a factory controlled environment where we can have more regular processes, we can have a safer environment, and we can certainly produce a superior quality product.
The major opportunity on any project is the ability to save time during construction, and this build is no different.
So when we looked at this project, we had over 5,000 precast columns and panels. We moved to a double height column that allowed us to save 2 days off the floor-to-floor cycle on every second floor, and obviously that had huge impacts on our craneage and labour on site. It was a real program advantage.
And on this project, time is more important than most major builds.
Yeah, so we've got a final date that we have to meet.
There's no extensions of time available to Grocon if the project goes behind. So precast minimises the risk of being late. We're not affected by weather. We're in a factory controlled environment, so the panels are made on time, they get installed on time, and the project program risk is reduced.
In late 2017, Parklands project will be leased to the Gold Coast 2018 Commonwealth Games Corporation to be transformed into the Commonwealth Games Village during the Games. Grocon will then prepare the development for a mixed-use residential community, including 1- and 2-bedroom apartments and 3-bedroom townhouses that will become available to the public for rent from early 2019.
It was the right call. We've saved a lot of time on program, allowed us to hit our target program dates.
For a list of precast manufacturers and for more information, go to nationalprecast.com.au.